Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. We started the topic adverbs in the previous class. We also discussed the different types of adverbs. What is an adverb? The word which describes or modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb is called an adverb. Which are the different types of adverbs? Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, etc. are the different types of adverbs. Today we will discuss the topic position of adverbs. There are certain points related to the position of adverbs where we have to use the adverbs. Let's discuss that now. Position of adverbs. There are many different rules that tell us where different kinds of adverbs should be placed in a sentence. However, a general rule is that an adverb should be placed as close as possible to the word it modifies. Example, I always share my lunch with Reknakshi. In this sentence, we used the adverb always close to the verb share. Adverbs can also be placed between an auxiliary verb and a main verb. Example, the train was suddenly cancelled. Here, the adverb suddenly is placed between the auxiliary verb was and the main verb cancelled. Here are some more examples of how adverbs are placed in sentences. Faras quickly ran across the room. Faras ran across the room quickly. It was windy outside. Outside, it was windy. They have shifted to this house recently. They have recently shifted to this house. We visited the museum yesterday. Yesterday, we visited the museum. I always get up before 7 in the morning. Have you ever been to Badami? This restaurant serves much better soup than the one next to it. We have some textual activities related to this. Let's do that now. Page number 107, Activity E. Underline the correct options to complete these sentences. First one, Janaki goes often or often goes to watch plays by herself. Which is the answer? Janaki often goes to watch plays by herself. Second one, Jitendra never sleeps or sleeps never until late in the morning. What is the correct answer? Jitendra never sleeps until late in the morning. Find out the rest of the answers yourself. Activity F. Put the words in the correct order to make sentences. Circle the adverbs. First one, once, we, Berlin, visited, December, in. So, in this group of words, which is the adverb? Once is the adverb. Then, how can we arrange it? We can arrange it in different ways. Like, we once visited Berlin in December. We visited Berlin once in December. Once, we visited Berlin in December. We visited Berlin in December once. Find out the rest of the answers yourself. Next one adverb for several words. While discussing the topic adjectives, we already learned that we can use an adjective instead of a group of words. Like that, here adverbs can be used to express something in a single word that would otherwise require several words to explain. Examples, I have told you again and again not to leave the gate open. So instead of that again and again, we can use a single word, that means a single adverb. What is that? I have told you repeatedly not to leave the gate open. Next one. The judge dismissed the appeal quickly without any formalities. So, instead of the group of words quickly without any formalities, we can use the adverb summarily. The answer is The judge summarily dismissed the appeal. We have some textual activities related to this. Page number 109, activity H. Match the adverbs to their meanings. First one, willingly. It matches to the number C with full agreement. So, willingly means with full agreement. Second one, continuously. It matches to E, that means without a break. Do the rest of the activities yourself. All the answers of these activities are attached with the notes. You can check it after completing these activities yourself. That's all for today. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. We can meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.